Hi everyone, I'm back on YouTube. I know I have been gone for a couple of months, so but I'm here. I'm gonna go ahead and do a updated makeup routine with my drag. I already did the other eye off camera. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. I post more over there. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Morphe palette. I had this for a couple of years now, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this really light brown color right here around my crease area. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this gorgeous dark brown color just to make it cohesive enough so it transitions from dark to light. And where's my mirror? Oh, the back. But like lightly pat. Oh, that's too much. Oh my goodness. Now we're gonna go ahead and take it around the eye area. Like so. I'm gonna go ahead and use a darker brown. They don't have names, so we're just gonna go with the flow. And I'm gonna go ahead and tap lightly because I don't want too much product on the brush because I hate doing this. This is really annoying. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply in the inner corner of the eye and lightly darken it in this area because we want the eyes to pop out more. So I just cut the crease off camera because we both know like cutting the crease is a very challenging step. Anyways, so once you're done cutting the crease, we can go ahead and blend in the colors from the outer into the inner. So we're gonna go ahead and just lightly blend everything out. So I'll be right back and go ahead and full on foundation mode, okay? So I'm back with a full face of makeup on. I didn't want to film this part just because it just takes me so long to do it, but I'll do it on the next video. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my wig cap. Got my wig cap on, so let's get to it. Hi everyone, I'm here and I'm back. Decided to do a side part because this little wig is really long and it's really gorgeous. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. I post more on Instagram. So on TikTok, so go ahead and follow me on TikTok. Bye. Kisses. I'll see you guys on the next video and remember to always suhhhlay and stay fiece. Bye. Kisses. Touche. Oh, God. The wig is on. The lips is on. Let your body lift your mind. Keep the night, 'cause it was written in the sky. I'm alive for one night. Let your body